Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to send a job application using Gmail. Applying for jobs can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm going to break it down step by step so you can confidently send out your application and make a strong impression. Before you even open your email, preparation is key. The first thing you need is your resume or CV, saved as a PDF. Why PDF? Because it keeps your formatting intact and ensures it looks professional on any device. Next, consider your cover letter. You have two options here. You can attach it as a PDF or write it directly in the body of the email. A cover letter is your chance to introduce yourself, highlight your skills, and explain why you're a perfect fit for the role. If you have additional documents like a portfolio, certificates, or references, check the job listing to see if they're required. Including these can give you an extra edge and showcase your qualifications. Now let's move on to sending your email. Start by opening Gmail, click the Compose button on the left-hand side to open a new email window. First, fill in the recipient's email address. This is usually the hiring manager or HR contact. Double-check it because a small mistake could mean your application doesn't reach the right person. Next, write a clear and professional subject line, something like, "Application for marketing manager position, John Doe works perfectly." Keep it simple, yet informative, so the recipient knows exactly what your email is about. Now add your cover letter if you haven't already. You can type it directly in the email or attach it as a PDF. To attach documents, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window, select your resume, cover letter, and any other files and make sure everything is uploaded correctly. Before hitting send, double-check everything. Make sure your documents are attached, your email address and subject line are correct, and your message is polished. Once you're confident, click send. And just like that, your job application is on its way to the hiring manager. Finally, keep an eye on your inbox for responses or follow-up instructions. Being prompt and professional in your replies can make a big difference. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide makes sending job applications through Gmail simple and stress-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's job hunting. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.